Welcome back, guys. Automotive Inc. We are going to go over the Sync 4 glitch. And a way I'm going to show you how you can do a soft reset, whether you're driving or you're sitting. But if you're driving, I encourage you to have your passenger help you out. But say it goes dark, say it quits working. The Sync 4 system very rarely locks up. Sometimes it does, and I'm going to show you how to defeat that. Before we get going, though, help a small channel out and smash the subscribe button for me. Thumbs up and notification bell so you know I'm posting new content. So the Sync 4 can look like this normally. And again, you can do this while you are moving, but I encourage you to have somebody else do it. But if nobody else is with you and you get to a stoplight, you can accomplish this in about 10 seconds. So if the screen's dark, same procedure. Now, the thing we're going to use is the volume knob and the seat forward. And so I would tell you to do this first. Push the volume knob first, hold it, push and hold the seat button forward, and hold it until your screen shuts off, just like that. Then, once that happens, you'll get the Bronco pop back up. It's going to reboot, do a soft reset. You'll see the gauges maybe flash here. And that should correct most of the issues that you're going to have with the Sync 4 without having to go to the dealer. And if it doesn't work, then yes, you might have a bigger problem at hand, but 99.9% of the times, that's all it needs. So at Automotive Inc., I always try and give you guys tips and tricks so you can forego costs or forego a trip to the dealer and hopefully fix your problem. This also works in most